All right, my son wanted to make some fresh spring rolls. And so he went and bought all the ingredients right here. He went on YouTube and we're going to put the link of the video we watched to make these. It's real simple to do, but I would not be making these and putting them on my food truck. It's too hard to roll them up. But first you see I'm putting that rice skin. It's real thin, but it's like cardboard, but you got to put it in water and let it soak for about maybe 20 seconds. Then we boiled our noodles for about 3 minutes, no more than 3 minutes, and boiled our shrimp for about 5 minutes. And we peeled our shrimp and put 3 shrimp on each one of them. Me, I put about 6 on mine, but we put 3. And these carrots, you got to have your carrots. And we also got cut up some lettuce. And I didn't have no jalapenos. He forgot to get me jalapenos. I put those on everything. Then once you do that, this is the hard part right here. Trying to fold this thing. You catch it on both ends, and I pull it together. And you see, this is pretty rough. It was rough. I don't have any fingernails, so I couldn't get that thing the way I want it. So my wife trying to direct me and show me how to do it. But like I said, everything else was easy. We just boiled the shrimp, we even cooked some rice. And we're going to put a rice in a couple of them, but we're just going to put these noodles in these, give it a try. And fold it up. And that's it. And we put it in the refrigerator for about maybe 10, 15 minutes. So I'm going to give it a try here. I'm going to get this one. Put your sauce. Let me cut it. Let's see. It's raggedy, but we'll see. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna pour my sauce. I ain't gonna dip mine. You did good.
I'm still on record.
Yeah.
Okay.
Zoom in on that bite. Let me see what it looks like. All right, yeah.